Enthusiasm versus apathy. There are two ways that can be our option in how we people should live our lives. First, some people live their lives without passion. These people let apathy take the best of them or take how great they could become. Being apathetic means losing passion or drive to be the best. It is when people forget how to dream and how to strive. These are people who find themselves with no purpose of breathing other than to live. The second way to live life is to be guided by the virtue of enthusiasm. There are people who succeeded because they love what they do and they are willing to make sacrifices to get what they want. I believe that if we let enthusiasm be our weapon in living, we could be the persons we want to be and we could get anything that we want, and that makes the second option more effective and productive. To conclude, we should always remember and put it on ways that the essence of existence is to achieve. And this will not be possible if we are not driven, because winning starts from within. Just like 1 Thessalonians 5:16 to 19 says, expressing with my joy the joy of my soul. And if we maintain that joy in everything that we do, living is more worthy.